This is the game of basketball. Poetry in motion. Science fighting art. Legend burned into imagination. This game takes everything you give and gives back even more. These are the lines and colors of history, where no two pictures are the same. This is a singular moment becoming a blueprint. Selflessness recognized. The fight of a lifetime and a family that chooses you. This thing we do, we follow. It breaks hearts, bends minds, and drops jaws. And it keeps us wanting more long after the buzzer. That's devotion. That's bigger than basketball. That's game.